As I remember, she asked me, may anak ako sa UK. Tinanong niya ako, "Ma, bakit mo ginagawa 'to sa'min? That you're securing our future, yung may property na kami na ganito, para kay ganito, ganyan, ganyan." Kasi gusto ko 'pag namatay ako o pag-usapan yung magkakapatid, grabe si mama, binigay niya sa atin yun lahat. I want to hear all those positive things with me kahit patay na ako. Alam mo yun? Yung you will be very proud of me na even a single penny, I spend all with you. Wala akong tinabi sa sarili ko. Kasi ang alam ko, hindi ko kayang pagdamutan yung tao, yung mga anak ko. Hindi ko kayang pagdamutan yun. Parang I can sacrifice everything for the sake of them. Ganun ko sila kamahal, Arnel.
Yes.
Welcome to Why Did You, the show where we uncover the powerful stories of Filipinos around the world who rose beyond limits and made a mark through their journey. This is not just about success, it's about the struggles, the sacrifices, the turning points, and the faith that shape who they are today. Because behind every achievement is a story worth learning from and a journey worth sharing. Get ready to be inspired, to reflect, and to discover the reason behind their journey. This is Why Did You? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Why Did You? Sherwin, welcome to Why Did You? We're so happy to have you here. Kamusta ka na? How are you, Sherwin?
I'm good. I'm so happy that I will be featured
Yeah,
here.
of course. Thank you for considering our invitations with your busy schedules. And Sherwin, please tell us something about yourself before we go into your story. Tell us,
Okay.
who is Sherwin?
Who is Sherwin? Actually, I'm a mother of three. My family are in the Philippines. I'm working here in Saudi for 10 years. But before I work
Ah,
here, my starting country was Japan. I started to work there for 8 years. And when I was in Japan, dun ko nabuo yung lahat ng pangarap ko. Because I've compared the lifestyle in the Philippines and lifestyle working abroad. Iba talaga. And dun ko nakita yung potential that you can earn a lot of money and you can save
mhm.
for some investment for the future of your children, like that. Then for 8 years, kahit papano naman, Arnel, meron akong konting nabili na property nung time na yon. Nung nawalan na ako ng visa, so umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. I stayed for Philippines for 2 years, which
And hold on, before you go, what
ah
kind of job did you do in Japan? At saka
sa
saan sa
sa
Japan?
sa Osaka ako. Sa Osaka ako.
Oh,
And then
okay.
ang dami kong pinasok na trabaho actually from factory worker,
Mhm,
kasi uso kasi doon yung mga obento, yasang kung tawagin nila. Gumagawa kami ng mga
mhm.
ramen, ng mga lunch pack ng
Oh,
mga ano,
that's good.
usually gano'n. Tapos nagpa-part-time din ako sa tawag dito, sa hotel no'n. Tapos sometimes meron din akong
Uh-huh.
arubaito sa maliit na parang snack bar, gano'n. Basta I have 3 jobs
Okay.
there. In short,
Wow.
i-maximize ko yung sarili ko because that time I was only 27. So parang gusto ko
Uh-huh.
talaga na makaipon ako. Kalakasan pa, 27, 'di ba? So
Mhm.
kalakasan pa natin 'yon. Kaya
Yes.
minakatimize ko yung sarili ko. So after 8 years ko sa Japan, napauwi ako. So wala,
Okay.
yung mga konting natira naipon kong pera, sabi ko, back to zero ako ng Pinas. Anong gagawin ko? Hindi ko alam.
Mhm.
Parang hindi na ako sanay. I want to stay in Japan. Kaya lang, hindi na ako magkaka-visa. So, umuwi ako ng
Okay.
Pilipinas, yung konting pera ko, tapos meron akong isang property na sinanla ko sa kamag-anak namin just to have our capital. Okay? Nagtayo ako ng
Mhm.
ukay-ukay, Arnel. Clothing.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, kasi
Yeah.
meron kasi kaming commercial space, meron kaming commercial land na minana ko sa mommy ko. So nung nasa Japan ako, pinatayuan ko
Uh-huh.
'yon at nagamit ko. Nagamit ko.
Galing.
So nag-ukay-ukay ako. Nag-second hand na bikes kami, tapos naglagay din kami sa tiyange. Tapos nagkaroon kami ng resto bar, nagkaroon kaming computer shop. Pero in short, lahat 'yon na-bankrupt.
Uh-huh.
Na-bankrupt. Why?
Mhm.
Mismanage. Pangalawa, lifestyle.
Mismanaged.
Okay, lifestyle. Hindi pa ri kumbaga
Oh,
nasanay
okay.
kasi yung mga anak ko, yung pamilya ko, yung asawa ko ng ganito yung alam mo na yung lifestyle namin hindi namin binago. Kasi what you earn sa Pilipinas, you will
Okay.
spend as well. Wala kaming backup money,
Correct.
okay? So in short,
Mhm.
na-bankrupt. So I'm into financial crisis. Nung time na yon, I was so depressed, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety, nagkaroon ako ng depression. And then sabi ng asawa ko, "Anong sa tingin mong makakatulong sa'yo para muling bumalik yung dating ikaw?" Sabi ko, "Give me chance
Mhm.
na ulit mag-abroad." "Saan?" "Anywhere. I
Okay.
just want to leave the
Mhm.
country." Sabi kong gano'n. Kasi parang
Mhm.
'tong bansa na 'to wala sa'kin opportunity, parang gano'n, eh.
Okay.
So, nag-try akong mag-domestic helper sa Hong Kong. Nag-Hong Kong ako
Wow.
as domestic helper. But unfortunately, I was not lucky. For 3 months,
Mhm.
I had two employer, twice akong na-terminate. Ang maganda lang kasi sa Hong Kong,
Okay.
Arnel, once terminated, you will pay 3 months of your salary by your contract. So yung every time na
Mhm.
mate-terminate ka, nagkakapera ka. So,
Okay.
ang ginawa ko dun, so second time na-terminate ako nag-transfer ako ng Macau kasi it's just nearby. So dun kahit papaano sa
It's like an
Macau
adventure,
yeah.
adventure trip.
So nung nandun ako sa
Yeah,
Macau,
nasa Macau ka na?
nakahanap ako ng trabaho, parang meron akong nakuhang trabaho sa front desk, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos nagpa-part-time din ako ng linis-linis, gano'n, linis-linis.
Mhm.
Then 1 year din lang ako dun at hindi rin ako kasi bumibili ka rin lang dun ng visa, eh, doon. So umuwi ako
Okay.
ng Pilipinas, hopeless.
Mhm.
Walang nangyari, sabi kong gano'n, walang nangyari.
Anong sabi ni husband
Eto na,
nung umuwi
kasi
ka?
ano kasi ko, eh,
Mhm.
parang ako talaga yung provider sa family ever since. Ako yung mas nagpo-provide, never yung asawa ko. Then siya talaga sa anak ko lang siya nag-ano, nag-focus. So
Yeah.
ngayon nung umuwi ako,
Yeah, but no, that's a very difficult
of
responsibilities.
course, pero gano'n talaga,
Uh,
eh. Gano'n talaga
mhm.
kasi mahal ko yung
Mhm,
pamilya
yeah.
ko and I want to save our
Mhm.
marriage. Hindi naman
And how many childrens did you guys have?
3, 3,
3 childrens.
and we're
Okay.
going on
All right.
31 years on this coming March. Sabi ko
Wow,
nga, lahat ng
congratulations.
ka-batch ko, iba na yung mga
Mhm.
asawa. Pero ako, kahit na maraming flows, siya pa din. Parang I stick with it kasi,
Okay.
siguro galing kasi ako Arnel, sa broken family and I want yung bang parang sa pagtanda ko, siya pa rin yung kasama ko. Kasi since,
Mhm.
18 pa lang mag-boyfriend na kami, naiiyak tuloy ako. 18 pa lang
Mhm.
mag-boyfriend na kami pero alam mo yun, siya yung kasama ko from from downside hanggang sa unti-unting na-build namin ng maayos yung family namin. So, I just want to keep my husband with me.
Mhm.
Ganun lang yun. Kahit na
Mhm.
maraming pintas, kahit na maraming ano, basta I don't care. Gusto ko buo yung pamilya ko. Yun.
Uh, eh, like you said a while ago, you came from a broken family.
Oo.
Kaya you were given a chance and now you have to protect it from happening, 'di ba?
Exactly.
That's why.
Craving something sweet, savory, and satisfying? Kuya Arnell's cooked sweet pork sausage is your new go-to. Fully cooked, perfectly seasoned, and made with love. Just heat, serve, and enjoy. Available now on Amazon. Taste the tradition.
Urgently
Mhm.
needed, bound for Riyadh. No
Mhm.
parang wala akong ilalabas na pera. I just have to cut this interview.
Okay.
So nagpunta ako do'n,
Mhm.
natanggap ako, within 3 months nakaalis ako. And then that,
Mhm.
2015 of November when I left the Philippines, do'n na nag-start yung journey ko sa Saudi. Yun na nag-start
Mhm.
yon.
Galing.
Oo. Eto pa, I'm very lucky talaga. So when I was interviewed by the employer, sabi niya sa'kin, spontaneous daw ako magsalita, magaling daw yung English command ko. Tinanong niya ako, "Honestly, ano ba talagang trabaho mo?" At that time, Pag-uwi
Ah,
kong Pilipinas nagko-call center ako no'n kasi nga gusto ko lagi akong may racket.
oh.
Sabi ko, "Actually, sir nagko-call sa call center ako." "Good," sabi niyang gano'n. "Papaalisin kita with a housekeeping visa but I will apply you as a clerk in the hospital if you will pass." 'Yun ang sabi niya sa'kin. So nung
Mhm.
dumating ako dito, nag-start na ako lang yung sinet aside, lahat ng kasabay ko is housekeep. Ako yung dinalaan nila ako, pinag-exam ako, manual nila ako ng typing, aba okey. So nakapasa ako. So hindi
Mhm.
ako
Yeah.
nakapag-housekeeping, directly nag-clerk ako.
Alam mo ako, Sherwin, naniniwala ako talaga, eh. Yung whatever we're doing right now,
Mm,
this is our training for tomorrow. Katulad niyan, you are applying for a, housekeeping
mm,
or housekeeper,
mm,
and then yung ginawa mong mga training sa BPO,
mm,
'no, you've been in a call center, you're
mm,
speaking
mm.
English, you're typing,
Kaya nga,
it serves as a, training ground para magamit mo dito sa next job mo. So,
totoo.
nag-start ka as a clerk, hindi
Oo.
as a housekeeper,
No, I
'di
did
ba?
not.
Pero may tanong ako, muna, let me stop you there.
Hmm.
What kind of dream mo na nung naisip mo Saudi, Saudi Arabia or Riyadh, mahigpit na bansa,
Mm,
'di ba?
mm.
Hindi katulad ng Japan,
Oo,
dun ng mga Asians yun, sa
oo,
Asian country.
mm,
Ito Middle East is going to be a different,
mm,
cultures,
oo,
different kind of people, mababait sila pero marami silang pera, mayaman
mm,
sila, 'no?
mm.
Of course the work ethic are
Different,
different as
different
compared
as
to
well.
Asian,
Mm,
right?
sobra.
So so yun, ready ka ba nun? Are you ready in a Middle Eastern country and culture?
Oo,
What can you say? What
oo.
kind of preparation did you do?
You know, ang iniisip ko kasi that time because all of my children are students at lahat sila nag-aaral sa private school. Ang nasa isip ko lang is to earn money. Wala akong pakialam kung
Yeah.
anong culture. Wala akong pakialam kung gaano kahigpit. Because I'm not here, to show my face or to be beautiful to everyone. Hindi yun, eh, hindi yun yung goal ko. My goal is, alam mo yun, to establish again what was lost. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, we lost a lot of
Mm,
money. We suffer from
mm,
financial, crisis that time. Kaya sabi ko,
mm, mm,
sabi ko kasi, "I don't care kahit anong trabaho, Arnel, I don't care. As long as kikita ako, as long as ma-sustain ko yung education ng mga anak ko." Because for me, hindi ko kaya
mm,
silang pag-aralin sa public. So, I'm sorry to say this one, because galing kasi ako ng private. So, parang sa akin napag-aral ako ng mami ko sa private, parang sa akin it's a crime
mhm,
for me na i-send ko sila sa school ng public. Kasi ang mentality ko iba, eh, gusto ko talaga I give them the best. Yun, eh. Kaya I
mhm.
don't care if ganito kahigpit, I don't care. What was in my mind is to
Ah,
earn money for my
is to
family. Oo,
ang galing naman
gano'n
talaga, 'no,
gano'n
ang
gano'n
galing.
talaga yung mindset ko, eh. Alam mo yun?
Yes, yes, it's the mindset, yeah. Yeah, that's very good. What was your biggest struggle during your first year working in Saudi
Saudi
Arabia,
Arabia.
and how did it change you as a person?
Actually, ang number one struggle ko is yung salary. Actually, maliit lang talaga ang salary dito. But you know, you have to do
Mhm,
something to you to have an extra living. Ganun ang ginawa ko.
mhm.
Lahat ng monthly salary ko, 100% pinapadala ko yan sa Pilipinas. What I have in me, what was left with me, is nagtitinda kasi ako ng embutido. Embuti I have resellers kasi doon sa accommodation
Pero
namin.
hindi pork, hindi pork embutido
Hindi,
yun, chicken embutido,
walang
'di ba?
pork dito, chicken. Kasi ano,
Okey.
tawag dito,
So, ang galing, 'di
lagi akong may other source.
gumagawa ka
Nagpa-part-time ako,
mm,
gano'n. Basta lahat ng pera ko, papadala ko sa Pilipinas for further expenses, school expenses and everything. Kung ano lang yung matitira sa'kin since mag-isa lang ako, I can eat egg, I can eat noodles. Basta ako, kahit na hindi ako makakain ng masarap, as long as my family will never experience, alam mo yun yung hassle pagdating sa pera. Basta sa'kin Lagi at ang iniisip ko is all for them, gano'n. Gano'n
Mhm.
talaga yung naging mindset ko.
Iba talaga yung nanay 'no?
Iba, iba,
Iba yung nanay, yung pagmamahal ng nanay na
iba.
coming from you. Meron kang ano, meron kang job. You deserve to eat. You deserve a good lunch. Pero 'wag lang yung mga anak mo na
Exactly,
ikaw. Sabi mo nga itlog lang okey na, 'di
oo.
ba? Iba talaga yung nanay. I salute you, Sherwin,
Ay,
for telling this. Ang bilis nung ano natin, ang ganda nung simula natin,
mm,
about your past 'no?
oo.
But I have some more questions
Okey.
tungkol dun
Pinaiyak mo ako,
sa past.
nakakainis ka.
Kasi everything that is coming from your heart,
Oo.
all these answers 'no? And this is the time for you to share, your personal experience, your emotion. Malaman ng mga Pilipino na ito yung buhay ng OFW. Malayo sa pamilya,
Totoo.
ilang Pasko at Bagong Taon, birthday, Valentine's Day,
Oo,
ang hindi mo makasama yung husband mo or yung pamilya mo. Bakit? Kasi yung panahon mahal,
totoo.
Sama-sama tayo, oo, pero financial crisis tayo.
Tama.
You choose,
Oo, you
'di
have to
ba?
choose.
So, yung practicality, it comes within, but of course, dapat ma-appreciate 'yan ng mga bata.
Mm.
They have to do and give their best, oo, as a, as a children yung ng OFW.
Get your crunch on with Kuya Arnell's pork chicharrones. Crispy, airy, and exploding with flavor. This is the real deal snack you didn't know you needed. Grab yours on Amazon today.
Oo.
Ah, Paano naman si husband? Tanong ko lang.
Mm.
So, of course, I'm sure you've been communicating every day. Chine-check mo sila. Anong
Oo.
sabi niya? How long have you been to Saudi? 2015 until the present? So it's
Aywa.
more than 10
Yes, yes,
years,
yes,
na?
yes. Going to 10. Ay, going to
Hmm.
11. Going to 11. I just
Hmm.
turned 10 years last November.
Congratulations for the first anniversary. Pero how you guys are doing it? Like malayo siya sa'yo.
Actually,
Paano?
siguro sa'kin, Arnel, kasi once you have this long relationship, ano na you're not looking for any desires or lust, companionship.
Hmm.
So, ang nangyayari
Hmm.
sa'min, it's all about parang understanding. Because if he cannot provide, I have to provide. So, sa totoo lang, 10 years na ako dito sa Saudi, but I just had my two-time, two-time vacation in the Philippines sa loob ng 10
Oh.
taon. You know why? Because
Hmm.
I don't like to spend money with na waste lang. 'Pag iniipon ko yon,
Mhm.
Arnel, bumibili ako ng something na investment namin. Gano'n kasi ang ano ko, parang kasi sa akin, siguro after kung mga 60 years old na ako, that is the time that I would enjoy my life. But at this moment, on my 50s up to 60s, I will still work hard for my family. Kasi ang nasa
Amen.
isip ko kasi, alam mo, yun, hindi lang education yung mabibigay ko sa mga anak ko. You know what I'm thinking, what's
Mhm.
on my mind? I have to secure their future. I have to give them
Mhm.
something na hindi mawawala sa kanila aside from the education. Alam mo kung ano yun, Arnel? Their own homes.
What is that?
Their own homes.
Oh.
I provide, katulad ng anak kong babae, I gave her home. Kasi ayoko nang mag-suffer pa siya. Ayokong mamamatay ako na iisipin ko pa yung mga anak ko, saan sila titira. That's why I always secure each of every one ng future nila. Kaya gano'n. Kaya nagtatrabaho ako maigi para mabigay ko lahat sa kanila. Yung para pagdating ng araw, even I will close my eyes, alam ko, "Oh God, thank you. You gave everything to my family." Alam mo yung gano'n? You secure me, you help me,
Mhm.
you provide everything.
Mhm.
What I want. Lahat kasi, Arnel, ako kasi yung taong I plan, I write down what I want. Gano'n ako, eh.
Yes,
I write
that's good.
down. And then kapag na-hit ko na 'tong isa, I will check, next, next,
Yes.
next.
Mhm.
Gano'n, gano'n eh, ewan ko ba't ako lang ba yung gano'n, pero gano'n ako
No,
eh.
no, no. I am like that. Kung ano yung plano ko for this year, I write it down. And then whatever is done, yeah, I cross it.
Mm.
And not only that, yung vision board ko is nandun sa cellphone ko. So every day I could see it.
Same with me.
Nakikita ko siya. No? Alam mo, I think ganun talaga eh. Yung taong may mga plano. Hindi ko
Plan.
sinasabi pong walang plano yung ibang tao ah. What I mean, um, these are instruments for us to
Para
use
umayos,
as a
yeah,
guideline
exactly.
para, 'di
That
ba?
is
As
the
a
way.
guidelines to
Mm,
our goal.
totoo.
So yun, yeah. Pagka mayroon kang gusto, isulat mo.
Mm,
Sabihin mo,
mm.
isipin mo, at sigurado ako bukas kikilos ka na para gawin
Totoo.
yung mga gusto mong mangyari na yun.
Mm.
Oo. Sherwin, I have a question here.
Okey.
Today, you work in HR at
Mm,
Dr. Sulaiman
mm,
Al Habib Hospital.
mhm.
What does your role look like on a daily basis? But before you answer that, meron akong mini question lang.
Oo.
So when you started as a clerk,
Mm.
right? How long did you work as a clerk and then how did you get this position as an HR
Okey. When
in
I
this big hospital? Go ahead.
sige. When I started, I told you I was a clerk. First, when I came, I was the training for nursing admin, clerk ako dun. And
Mm-hmm.
then
Wow.
unfortunately, the hospital of, orthopedic, they need ward clerk. So what my, supervisor did, binigay niya ako. Binigay niya ako dun sa hospital. Actually, regret ako kasi gusto ko na yung position ko kasi hindi masyadong pressure. So when I transferred to the inpatient, nagre-regret ako but then naging grateful ako. You know why? Kasi dun ako na-train. It was been my training ground. Working in inpatient was really a big experience with me because you're dealing with the patients, you're dealing with the relatives, you're
Mhm.
dealing with the doctors, with the nurses. You from them, you learn a lot from each of every one of them, especially during the time of pandemic. Doon
Yun nga, yung
talaga.
bedside nurses, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
bedside personnel. Yeah, it's
Mm.
difficult. Yeah.
Ang dami kong natutunan
It's
talaga sa
rewarding.
inpatient. Kaya lang dumating ako dun sa time na parang napagod na ako. Kasi 6 days ako
Mhm.
dun, eh. Parang gusto ko naman
Wow.
mag 5 days kasi magkakaedad na ang lola. Sabi ko parang I want to have a
Mm.
5 days, yung parang talagang office lang, gano'n. Ito
Mhm.
na. So nung nagkaroon ng opportunity dahil aalis yung filing clerk nila dito sa HR, nag-apply ako. And then naka-transfer ako
Mhm.
in short kasi nagpapirma talaga ako sa kanila ng release, eh, dun sa hospital. Kasi same company lang naman but you still have kailangan mo pa rin ng release that approving you that they will release you na makalipat ka sa isang ibang department. So nung nagpunta na ako dito sa HR, that time naman nung pagpunta ko, before hindi pa kami, digital on system. Puro paper lang, folders ang naabutan ko. Imagine how many, employee files nung dumating ako dito, almost 2,800. Dito lang yan sa corporate, pero kasi dito sa amin,
Aha.
per branch may mga ano, HR. Now na naging systemized na kami, nalipat na ng system, digital
Mhm.
na lahat ng files ng staff. Ang nangyari, since
Mhm.
main ako, office, naging general ako. Nakuha ko lahat. Ako ang pinaka-main ng may hawak ng digital employee file ng lahat ng branches
Wow.
ng tawag dito, Dr. Sulaiman. Sila dun per branch
Mhm.
meron silang access, pero dun lang sa specific area nila, specific branch. Since
Mhm.
marami kami growing, akin yung access ng whole.
Wow. Nakita mo, ang galing, di ba? Na everything is working in the system. Like, start ka ron sa, sabi mo nga, nag-patient,
Mm,
nag-patient care.
mm.
Nakita mo kung paano, no?
Oo,
Um, that is not an easy job. Taking care of the patients as well as the family of the patients.
mm.
May
Lalo na
complain
yung
yan eh.
may
If your heart
is pure.
is ready for service like this, it's going to be easy, especially ikaw. May compassion ka naman.
Mm.
Mabuting tao ka. So, it's going to be easy for you with this kind of job. So, Sherwin, working in a large hospital system in Saudi
Mm.
Arabia, what surprised you most about healthcare culture and work environment? Paano sila kasama sa trabaho? Especially yung mga Middle Eastern. Marami bang Filipino nurses sa inyo or how is the
Wala na, konti na
how is
lang.
the
Dumating ako ng 2015,
hmm,
majority of the nurses are Filipinas. Secondary lang ang Indians. But now, marami na
mm,
ring other nationality like Egyptian, Jordanian,
mhm.
Lebanese, gano'n. So, hindi na majority ng community dito is Filipino for nurses. Parang nasa 20 to 30% na lang tayo, unlike before.
Ah,
Mm, unlike
uh
before. Because now they're opening for other nationalities. Hindi lang Indians, hindi lang Filipinos.
Oh,
Actually, they prefer Arab na kasi nga. Kasi most of the time, ang nagkakaroon ng problema yung language barrier. Kasi kapag ang patient hindi marunong mag-English, so ang nangyayari, nabubulyawan si nurse kasi hindi naiintindihan, lalo na pag
oh,
first timer, 'di ba? Gano'n.
oh. So the Indians, the Jordanians and
Mm.
Egyptians, what kind of language do they speak? Parehas ba or English
No,
din?
if you were a nurse here, you must have two language, English and Arabic. Most of the nurses,
Ah,
that is the
hmm,
mandatory. Kasi what will be your communication tool? Anong gagamitin mo?
uh,
Your own language? Hindi. You should have at least
yeah, yeah.
90, at least
So
80 to
English
na
and
Arabic.
Arabic.
Crunchy, bold, irresistible. Habit crispy fried chicken skins brings the heat with real chicken and serious flavor. Low carb, high crunch. Snack smarter, snack habit. Find it now on Amazon.
How do you balance professionalism, compassion, and cultural differences in such a fast-paced healthcare settings, Sherwin?
Dito, paano ko binabalance? Hmm, magaling kasi akong mambola, eh. Hindi ko problema. Napaka-talkative ko. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, 'pag nasa
Mhm.
reception ako nun before nung nandun ako sa hospital, 'pag nasa reception ako, tuwang-tuwa sa'kin yung mga relative. Kasi imbis na magalit sila, alam mo yun, kakalmahin ko sila. Kaya ako ang
Ah,
ano, ako ang icebreaker dun ng mga staff ko. 'Pag sinabi, "Uy, nagagalit na yung ano, te pumunta ka na dun, pasok mo na." "Yes sir, any problem?" Yung mga ganyan. Basta alam mo dinadaan ko lang lahat sa mga alam mo yung calm talking ka. Parang i-aano mo,
yes,
ipa-pacify mo sila na sila yung masusunod, sila yung iintindihin mo.
of
Kasi 'pag
course.
sinalubong mo
Mhm.
yung temper nila, magka-crush kayong dalawa. Kaya dapat ikaw yung magpapakumbaba, ikaw yung magpapaano, gano'n.
Sherwin, hindi ko pa yata natanong, eh.
Hmm,
Yung system ng
mm.
Dr. Sulaiman Al
Oo.
Habib Hospital, gaano karami yung employees natin na niyo diyan?
Actually, sa ngayon, because we are growing, we are reaching 30,000. Going to. O baka
Wow,
ngayon 30 na.
30
Yeah, because we have a lot of branches.
30?
Yeah, we have a lot of branches.
How
Dito pa
many
lang sa
hospitals?
Riyadh, 1, 2,
Mm,
3, 4, 5, 6 na. Iba pa yung clinics. Ang clinics dito nasa 20 na yata, eh. Under pa rin yun ng Habib.
ah,
Tapos on other district, Jeddah, we have 2 in Jeddah, we have clinics also there. And then we have other portion, we have in Red Sea, meron na rin kami sa Bahrain, meron kami sa Dubai, dalawa. Kaya malaki ang growing ng
oh,
ang last previous na check namin nasa 30 na, eh, baka ngayon more na naman. Kasi bukas ng bukas, bukas ng bukas. And ang
uh
Habib, marami rin silang pharmacies. Hawak din nila
hmm.
yon, sarili din nilang
Paano
pharmacy.
yung insurance system naman ng Saudi Arabia? Do they
Alam mo,
pay for their medical
ang ganda ng insurance dito, especially sa company namin.
ah,
Kasi talagang
Mhm.
provide sa mga staff. Provide talaga sa amin, wala akong
Mhm.
problema. Wala akong problema, compare mo sa ibang bansa, talagang sinasabi nila ang ganda ng health insurance sa Saudi, talagang covered lahat, covered.
Mhm.
Kaya wala akong issue, wala akong
So
binabayaran.
what I mean is a private insurance. Like
Mm.
every paycheck, you are paying as a deductible do sa ano nyo, sa
No!
health
Wa
insurance
wala
premium.
wala 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 sa'min deductible. Sila lahat, patient share lang kami.
So government
Pag
government talaga?
provide talaga ng company. Halimbawa, ako,
Ah.
mag-aano ako dun,
Hmm.
pupunta ako for ER like that, patient share lang ang share mo, how many reals lang yun?
Mhm.
Lahat yun cost niyan, lahat sagot yan ng company. Wala kaming
Mayaman kasi yung system, eh, 'no?
tsaka
Kaya
alam mo 'pag
gano'n.
na for surgery ka, oh my God, you will not spend a lot, as in ano lang, patient share mo lang, napakaliit. Kaya nga karamihan ng Pilipino dito kapag meron silang mga kailangan i-surgery, ay dito talaga sila magpapa-surgery kasi wala silang all expense paid sila, eh, kami, eh, gano'n. Maganda rin siguro kasi yung company
Mm.
namin, it depends also siguro, pero kasi meron din ako naririnig sa mga ibang OFW wala silang insurance, mga gano'n, kasing company nila
Oo.
hindi nag-renew, gano'n. Pero kami
Mm.
hindi namin problema yun.
Oh.
Alam mo
So Sherwin, you built a meaningful career sa Saudi. So let's look ahead. Let's go to the future.
okey.
Where do you see yourself growing in your career and as a person? Although sinabi mo na hanggang 60 years old ka magwo-work,
Mm.
no? Pero are you going to be in the HR until you reach the age of your retirement, or are you
Until I reach
pursuing
my
other
no,
position?
I don't want to change my work. I want to stay
You're
here
happy now. You're
until
happy.
my retirement day. Totoo yan,
Okay.
Arnel, coming from my heart.
Mm.
Everyone, alam mo dun sa batch namin marami nang umuwi, nag-exit. Only 2 na lang kami yata kaming natira. Kaya tinatanong sa'kin, "Te, kailan ka
Mm.
mag-e-exit?" "Ay, ang kaya ko pa, eh. Ba't ako i-exit?" Kasi bakit alam mo kung ba't ko sinabi? Marami akong nakilala na nag-early retire, lahat nasa Pilipinas, lahat sila nagsisisi.
Mhm.
Sana maximize pa namin, sana hindi kami umuwi. And I don't that thing to happen with me. 10 years, marami ka pang magagawa. Alam mo yon? For 10 years of staying here in Saudi, I can build a lot. I can save a lot. I can have a lot. Yun yung katwiran ko. Kasi lahat naman nito hindi naman para sa sarili ko. It's all for my family cause.
Yes.
Because pag-uwi ko sa Pilipinas, alam mo yung gusto ko yung uupo na lang ako sa isang rocking chair. Magkakape ako. Because I'm secured and I fulfill what I want in
Mhm.
life. Wala akong magiging hindrance, walang naging hindrance kasi ako yun, choice ko yun, eh. It's 'di ba? Ibig sabihin in-enjoy ko yung pag-stay ko dito at the same time kumikita ako. Gano'n lang yun,
Yes.
'di ba?
Sherwin, I have a question regarding do sa sinabi mo.
Mm,
I know you're a very good provider.
mm.
Sa husband mo, sa family, sa mga anak mo. Sabi mo nga 'di ba, you already bought a house for her, do sa eldest mo. Kasi you wanna make sure that they are secured, right?
Classic never tasted this good. Habit Pork Cracklings delivers that old school crunch with modern flavor. No fluff, just crispy, protein packed perfection. Hit it up on Amazon and stock up now.
Mm.
This is only a hypothetical question,
Okey.
okay? Paano kung meron kang isang anak,
Mm.
ang sabihin naman sa'yo, "Ma, lumaki na kami,
Mm.
hindi ka namin nakasama, wala naman tayong masyadong memories na nagawa."
Oh my God.
Anong
Actually
sasabihin mo?
actually sinabi na nila yan sa'kin, eh. when during their high
Uh,
school days. Kasi alam mo
uh,
yon yung nagva-varsity kasi yung mga anak ko. So, kasama nakikita nila na kasama yung mommy, yung daddy. Actually, ang sinagot ko sa kanila ganito lang, you have to choose. Nandiyan ako, nandiyan tayo, magkakasama tayo. Pero kumakalab yung mga sikmura natin. Or, andito ako, pero napoprovide ko yung para sa future nyo. Para sa para sa pag-aaral nyo. You have to choose. Kasi in being away, hindi madali eh. Bilang isang magulang, yung hindi mo makita yung mga anak mo, it's not easy. But I have to do
yeah.
this kasi lagi kong iniisip yung magiging paano yung pag-aaral nyo. Ayoko naman kayo na papasok kayo na hindi nyo natin alam kung saan tayo kukuha ng pera pampaon nyo lang. Alam mo yung ganon, Arnel? Kaya, naiintindihan nila. Actually, naintindihan na nila. Naintindihan nila. Hindi na sila
I'm
sa akin
sorry
nag
to ask that question.
Hindi kasi oo.
I'm just being doing this real talk.
Oo.
Kasi yung ibang tao, hindi naman sinasabi, hindi naman laging pera. Kailangan meron ka rin panahon sa pamilya mo. Kailangan mag-create ka rin ng memories na kasama sila. Diba? Pero, ang... How can I say this?
Pero kasi Arnel nowadays,
Pero importante kasi yung pera eh. Importante talaga siya eh.
hindi naman oo,
Yun na,
kaya
yun na
means
sa
of yun eh.
maliwanag na
Means
salita
of
na yun.
living. Means of good life living yon. Hindi sa importante. You have to think na yun ang magiging means and ways mo to have a good living. Alam mo, dapat ganun ang proper definition. Hindi, kasi dahil sa pera, no. No, it's not about money. Means mo yon for a
Paano
proper
naman si
living.
paano naman si husband? Dapat siguro pumasyal na lang siya diyan sa'yo para naman nagkakasama kayo
Naku, ayaw na
paminsan-minsan.
nang lumabas ng bansa. Siguro sa
Alam mo, let me just share this to you, no? Meron akong kaibigan eh. They've been married for almost 20 years na rin. She lived in the Philippines, tapos yung husband niya naman nasa States. Sabi niya, nako Arnel, nga yung husband ko uwi na raw ng Pilipinas. Sabi niya ganun. Nako, sabi ko, yan na kayo mag-aaway.
tot
Sabi niya, bakit? Kasi hindi na kayo sanay na magkasama eh.
totoo
Di ba? O, sanay na lang kayo ng, hello, kumusta ka na? Ito yung padala ko yung pera sa'yo. Bayaran
totoo
mo yung
yan.
mga bills.
Totoo yan.
Okay na ba? Nakapag-groceries na kayo? Tapos, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's, Happy Birthday. Ano pa ba mga okasyon? Happy anniversary. Congratulations on your 31st anniversary. Pero pag kasama na sila,
Maiiba.
mas maganda pa yung hindi tayo magkasama eh. Mas peaceful pa eh.
Totoo yan.
No, hindi, pagka ayaw na kitang kausap, bababa ko na lang yung phone eh. Ngayon nakikita pa kita eh. Pero hindi, sinasabi ko lang is yung experience nila. But I know you have different experience naman. You know? Anyway, let's go back to my questions now.
Ano na naman yung question mo?
Sherwin, what advice would you give to Filipinos who want to work abroad, especially in the healthcare, especially in the country of Kingdom
Saudi.
of Saudi Arabia?
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, hindi mo talaga, okay, sa Saudi kasi, actually, if you will be a health worker and first-timer nurse, really, this will be the best groundbreaking. Lahat ng mga nurses na yun ang sinasabi. But for our skilled workers, katulad namin, kasi dun kami nakakategorize. What I can say, we do not earn a lot. Hindi kami kumikita ng marami. But you have to find ways na magkaroon ka ng extra income or another source of incomes mo para madagdagan yung kita mo. At least, sustain mo yung mga needs ng family mo. Kasi ang Saudi talaga actually, Arnel, ito yung bansa na hindi talaga malaki magpasweldo. But sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung madiskarte ka, kung kung kaya mo talagang kung magdiskarte ka, marami kasing Filipino. So, mag-ano ka, mag-isip ka ng something na pupuwede mong pagkakitaan. So, makakatulong na 'to ng
As
malaki,
extra 'no?
an extra, mm. Hindi kasi 'to katulad
Mm.
ng mga western ng Amerika na greener pastures ka ta
If there's this one person na nakalimutan mo or hindi mo nasabi na, "Thank you,"
hmm.
or "Maraming salamat." Sino 'to?
Okey. Una siguro yung grandmother ko kasi siya yung nag-raise sa akin. Siya yung kasama ko until
Mhm.
I was 15, then she died. And then of course my mother, though hindi kami nagkasama din ng mother ko because she was a OFW here. Dietitian nutritionist kasi ang mommy ko dito sa
Hmm.
Saudi before. Hindi rin kami nagkaroon ng chance na magkasama, but I would like to tell thank you to her. You know why? Because she secured my future as well. And I am so grateful and I was so thankful. Those yun nga yung sinasabi ko, hindi kami physically magkasama. But then, iniisip niya yung future ko.
Mhm.
That's why I'm very thankful sa mami ko. Kasi hindi niya ako pinabayaan when it comes to finances. Kung mami ko is living in Jordan. Kasi Jordanian na yung asawa niya. So, she's in Amman,
Mm.
Jordan. Though, ngayon, nag-uusap pa rin kami. Matanda na siya. That's why, n- nung bago lumabas yung bahay, bago ma-turnover, minessage ko siya. Habang nagme-message ako, I was crying. Sabi ko, "Mommy, thank you. Thank you for everything." Di ko man sa ito nasasabi kasi we never had given a chance na magkasama tayo. But I'd like to
Mhm.
thank you na hindi ka sa'kin naging madamot. Alam mo yon. And all of these things that I have now because of you. You inspired me. You
Yes.
were been my inspiration. Kasi hindi mo ako pinagdamutan, binigyan mo ako ng mga property na mapapakinabangan ko. Yun din yung ako para sa mga anak ko. So I learned from you na hindi lang pag-aaral, dapat you have to secure the future of your
Na
child. Kasi isang anak lang ako, eh, na gano'n, nung time. Kaya mami ko, mahal ko.
there you go.
Ang daddy ko kasi, Arnel, hindi ko siya talaga nakasama. So, wala ako talagang fond memory sa father ko. Kilala ko siya as father ko, nag-aano kami, pero alam mo yung love, yung amor. I'm sorry to say, hindi ako ano, pero
Mhm.
hindi kasi na-built yon. Kaya hindi rin nila ako masisisi kung ba't hindi ako malapit sa daddy ko. Kaya ganun.
Mm. Tell your parting message to our viewers and listeners around the world.
Okay. First, sa mga listeners, you know, putting dreams, hindi ka lang dapat kasi mag-stay kasi, ay, nangangarap ka. You have to push yourself. You have to hit the target or the goal. Kasi sa totoo lang, kapag hindi mo ginawa yon, walang mangyayari sa buhay mo. You should be profitable. Tsaka dapat lagi kang positive sa buhay. Never, huwag kang
Yes.
matakot. Do not, you have to take the risk. You should bring your guts. Alam mo yon, guts kasi yan eh. Dapat malakas ang loob
Mhm.
mo. Especially pag nasa abroad ka. And then for my children, you know how much I love you all. Unconditional love nga eh. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, natutunan ko sa buhay, hindi lang pala nagtatapos ang pagiging magulang sa pagpapatapos ng pag-aaral. You should also think for the
Yes.
future of your children. Let them be secured. Kasi, as I remember, sinabi ko doon sa isa kong anak, niya, she asked me, may anak ako sa UK. Tinanong niya ako, "Ma, bakit mo ginagawa 'to sa'min? That you're securing our future, yung may property na kami na ganito, para kay ganito, ganyan, ganyan." Kasi gusto ko 'pag namatay ako o pag-usapan yung magkakapatid, grabe si mama, binigay niya sa atin yun lahat. I want to hear all those positive things with me kahit patay na ako. Alam mo yun? Yung you will be very proud of me na even a single penny, I spend all with you. Wala akong
Mhm.
tinabi sa sarili ko. Kasi ang alam ko,
Mm.
hindi ko kayang pagdamutan yung taong yung mga anak ko, hindi ko kayang pagdamutan yun. Parang I can sacrifice everything for the sake of them. Gano'n ko sila kamahal, Arnel, gano'n, sobra.
Yes. Thank you very much, Sherwin, for sharing us your wonderful journey and your story. This will serve as an inspiration, and you're going to motivate a lot of Filipinos,
Eh,
not only in Saudi Arabia, but the rest of the world.
Sana
I'm sorry, I made you cry.
Ang beses mo akong
No.
pinaiyak. Thank you sa'yo. You know why? Because you were been the parang naging path ko to share all my experiences and journeys in life. Ang sarap pala. Ang sarap palang i-share. At ang sarap na I was been appreciated with my story by others. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Mas
Yeah.
mas naengganyo tuloy akong magsikap. Kasi baka after 10 years
Oh,
kunin
thank
mo ulit
you.
yung side ko.
Not only that, Sherwin, I created this podcast for Filipinos like you. Whenever you want to hear this conversation again, you just have to go to YouTube and share and listen to yourself. When you're 60 years old,
Yeah.
you will tell yourself that, mo, this was taken 10 years ago. And look, I am retired. Arnel, I am retired now, di ba?
Yeah.
So, this is one of your anchored memories, a little biography of yours, and your story to motivate people. Andito na. It's been recorded. That's why I created this. It's 6:30 in the morning in Riyadh.
Yeah.
Went to work early. Yeah, we started 6:30.
6:30, yeah.
Pumasok siya ng maaga para po sa inyo lahat. So, Sherwin, maraming salamat ulit. And
Thank
I
you.
appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sherwin, thank you for sharing your story with us today. Your journey reminds us that you don't have to be in the spotlight to make a powerful impact. Sometimes the people working quietly behind the scenes are the reason everything runs smoothly. To all our viewers and listeners around the world, especially our fellow Filipinos working abroad, we hope Sherwin's story inspires you to keep pushing forward, no matter where you are. This has been YDDU with Sherwin Pascual Sauer from Saudi Arabia. This is Arnel Ariara, and we'll see you in our next story. Thank you.